Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we will work on this beautiful Lenovo Thinkpad X240. I bought this off of a friend very long ago, and it has a problem where when you plug it in, start it up, it just makes beeps. So it doesn't start up, it basically just black screen, makes beeps. And I thought it is a broken motherboard. It is not RAM, I tested that out. So I got a replacement board, which took 2 months to get to me. So yeah, AliExpress shipping takes always freaking long, but I was not in a hurry to fix this, but it was just laying around really for a long time. Now I think the battery is dead in it, but I want to show you the problem first. Oh, it's not even dead, oh my god. There you go. Just makes beep, 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 beep. Pretty common issue is usually a dead board. Now this is my second Lenovo with a dead board. I rebuilt that one IdeaPad, which also had a broken motherboard. Now this replacement board was very cheap. I don't know how much, I'll put it in here. It should have a Core i5 4th gen, and you could even order it with a i7, but I went for the i5. Should be good too. Now my friend removed her hard drive. I know that it doesn't have a hard drive, but I have an SSD that I can put in here. And at one point she must have upgraded that battery, because this battery is massive. Look at that. I don't think this is the stock battery, but it's an original Lenovo battery, so that's a plus point, because these knockoff batteries are dangerous. Shouldn't get them. Get original batteries. I know they cost a lot of money, but or at least get good rated ones, well rated resellers. This should still hold a charge. I don't know when it was built, but should still be good. 3,930 milliamps. All right, so I love Lenovo's because working on them is always really easy. It's a chore. It's actually something I enjoy. I couldn't really say I enjoy replacing motherboards in most laptops, but in Lenovo's, it's pretty fun. It's basically like Lego. Maybe I'm speaking too soon, but I find them to be really, really versatile and easy to upgrade and work on. Now, starts with the screws. Only Phillips screws, no crazy Torx, nothing, just regular Phillips screws. Also, I love this shape of this ThinkPad. I might as well use that for my personal things. I don't know yet if everything works. I mean, this is nice, compact, pretty durable. Needs a clean though. But apart from that, really nice condition. SD card slot, LAN, requirement for me. USB, but I don't think 3.0 yet. I could be wrong. DisplayPort, VGA, freaking VGA is still there. But hey, no HDMI. That's a bummer. But hey, I don't complain. I didn't pay much for this. So I'll put you in a better angle, and then we'll get started tearing this down. So guys, and we are ready to unscrew the motherboard already. So, and we are in fact ready to take out the motherboard. That was now not even 20 minutes of this assembly, and we can already take this thing out, which is awesome. So I think I unplugged all the stuff. If I didn't, I'll find out right now, but I think I did. And now we can lift it. Yeah, there it is. I mean, that was... I keep saying it, like Lego bricks. Just piece it back together and that's it. So that's the old dad board. Nothing to move over from here. Just, yeah, maybe... Oh, look at that! The SIM tray. There is a SIM card in there. Ha ha! Awesome. Look at that. Okay, I doubt it's working, but we can try. Let's put the new one in. Just like this. And I'll put that... I'll put in the SIM card just for the lols. Okay. So. Goes in like this. Make sure not to trap any cables. And yes, it's laying flush somewhat. Should smooth out once it's, yeah, no, it's perfect. Okay. I just can't believe that's that simple, that there are no underneath cables to plug in at a weird angle, and that many cables to get out of the way to make it drop in. Oh my god, this is such a joy to work on. So let's screw it back in and connect everything up and hope that it works. So guys, we definitely have progress. I just hope I did not forget anything, because I know me, it's usually one little connector, but yeah, there's nothing more to plug in other than the screw on the CPU cooler, and that's it. Then we have this thing fully swapped. Of course, RAM, I know. Okay, I'll get my thermal paste, clean off this old dried up one, and get new thermal paste for the CPU. It's quite a cute little CPU. Alright guys, I just unfortunately figured out that in my entire RAM collection here, I only have these two PC3 DDR3 RAM left, and both are 1 gigabyte only, so that's not a lot. I will definitely get myself like a 4 gigabyte stick or something secondhand. I mean, they don't cost a lot secondhand, but just for seeing if it works, testing it out, its functionality, this 1 gigabyte little guy should do the trick. So is that really in all the way? It looks to me that's kind of odd. There we go. Yeah, not perfect, but hey, easy fix. There we go, fixed. Okay, with that minor issue out of the way, let's boot it up. Oh no, no. CPU first, cooler first. We don't want to burn this poor i5 without a cooler. Oh, it's coming out like gonna shoot out again probably. Yeah, alright, there we go. That was already too much. Let's put it on the secondary chip too. Oh, it's fine. It's a little on the heavy side, but it'll be fine. This is a really cool CPU anyway, so that will be all good. Let's put that cable back in this cable management routing thing, and let's put the cooler down. I think this is also supposed to be in here. There we go. And now let's tighten it in the way it is recommended. I think we can give this thing a test run and see if it works. So let's do a Louis Rossmann style here. Oh, charger is on the other side. Let's do that. Okay, plug it in. Oh, did a lot of beeping. And oh no. It's doing the same shit again? No fucking way. I mean, this can't be happening right now. No, come on. Shit. So guys, update. As it turns out, this could just be a RAM problem after all. Because I didn't know that the X240s, they want DDR3L. Low voltage RAM, not the normal DDR3. So this thing could still work, who knows? But now that I have the replacement board, I mean, yeah. Well, shit. So I jumped on Amazon and I bought for 20 bucks a 4 gigabyte DDR3L stick. Unfortunately, nobody had it for sale locally, any like near me, so I just ordered it from Amazon, and yeah, I'll try and see if I can fire this thing up with a DDR3L. And so maybe, you know, that was the whole reason why this didn't boot with the old board. Oh my god. If that's the case, then I'm really pissed. But yeah, just how it goes sometimes.
So a couple of days have passed and I got a replacement fan and also heatsink. Bought that off eBay and the seller said if it doesn't work I can return it, which is nice because I think that was the cheapest one I could find. But if it works, which I hope it does, should be fine. So let's take that off again and screw the replacement one on and see if it fires up. So that did take no longer than 2 minutes, which is good. So let's see if this thing will actually work. I'm really curious to see that. Yes, it does. Awesome. I don't know if you can see it, but the fan turns and that's good. So yeah, obviously the BIOS was reset since we took the battery out for weeks. Let's just press escape. And yeah, that's looking to me like a working machine. So we can now finally put the hard drive in and close it up. And yeah, then we can install an operating system, which is awesome.
And there it is, guys, a working Thinkpad X240. Really nice to see this machine back in action. It really needs a clean. It's been also neglected, but also it's been sitting between some stuff. There's time I had it, so yeah, it's not ideal. We'll just quickly go into the setup and see what it hides here. A i5 4200U, which is the power efficient i5 4th gen, really nice chip actually, 1.6 gigahertz and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and I installed a 128 gigabyte hard drive SSD. So yeah, just turn off this legacy. UFI only, yes, turn that off too. Yeah, that's fine. So, here it is. Nice ThinkPad. Really like this computer. Might just start to use it for my stuff because it's so nice and compact, but it's not too small. So yeah, pretty nice little system. Anyway, here you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. So with that said, thanks for watching and see you later.